We all like to eat chocolate, but how much do you know about the delicious treat? Let's start a chocolate quiz. Where was the first solid chocolate bar made? Switzerland, Mexico, the UK. The correct answer is the UK. What is the rare fourth kind of chocolate in addition to the milk, dark, and white varieties? Blonde, pink, black. The correct answer is blonde. What is the main ingredient in white chocolate? Cocoa solids, cocoa butter, chocolate liqueur. The correct answer is cocoa butter. What process is used to reduce the bitterness of cocoa and improve its solubility in products like hot cocoa? Conching, fermentation, Dutch processing. The correct answer is Dutch processing. What year did chocolate first become sweetened? 1502, 1528, 1609. The correct answer is 1528. What continent is the largest producer of cocoa beans? Africa, South America, Asia. The correct answer is Africa. Is there a difference between cacao and cocoa? Yes, cacao is the raw form and cocoa the processed. No, they are just different spellings. Yes, but only in the way they are used in recipes. The correct answer is yes, cacao is the raw form and cocoa the processed. Who used cacao beans as currency? The Mayans, the Aztecs, the Incas. The correct answer is the Aztecs. Who should we thank for chocolate becoming sweetened? The French, the British, the Spanish. The correct answer is the Spanish. What is not considered chocolate by the FDA? Chocolate liqueur, cocoa butter, sugar. Chocolate liqueur, vegetable oil, sugar. Chocolate liqueur, milk, sugar. The correct answer is chocolate liqueur, vegetable oil, sugar. Which country consumes the most chocolate per person, per year? The USA, Belgium, Switzerland. The correct answer is Switzerland. How many cacao beans do you need to make one 250-gram bar of chocolate? 100. 200. 50. The correct answer is 200. What is the name of the chocolate that became famous for the noise they made rolling down the steps at the cinema? Maltesers. M&M's. Kit Kat. The correct answer is Maltesers. What color is a ripe cacao pod? Green. Red or yellow? Brown. The correct answer is red or yellow. Thanks for watching. Leave a comment telling us how many you got right.